In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit image in Inkscape. Whether you're touching up colors or trimming what shows in a photo, I'll walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly workflow inside this vector design app. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and make sure your canvas is visible so you can see everything clearly. If your interface looks different, that's okay. Menu names are consistent across recent versions. Next, open an existing document that already contains the image you want to edit. You can use the main menu to open your file, or drag a document into Inkscape's window. If your image is linked rather than embedded, you can still adjust how it looks on the canvas. Just remember that Inkscape is primarily a vector editor, so we're working with on-canvas appearance rather than permanent pixel edits. Now, select the image with the Select tool. You can click the arrow icon in the toolbar or press S on your keyboard. You'll see a bounding box with handles around the image. That tells you the image is active and ready for adjustments. To fine-tune the way the image looks, head up to the Filters menu. From there, open the Color category. You'll find helpful tools like Brightness, Contrast to quickly brighten a dark photo or tone down highlights, Hue, Saturation to shift colors or make them more vivid or muted, and Grayscale if you want a black and white look. When you pick one of these options, Inkscape shows you a dialog with sliders. Move them slowly and watch the live preview on your canvas. If something goes too far, use the Reset button in the dialog or simply undo with a quick Ctrl+Z. These filter adjustments are applied to the selected image's appearance, so you can always revisit and tweak them. If you want to show only a specific part of the image, think of it like a crop in a photo editor, draw a shape over the area you want to keep. The Rectangle tool is perfect for this. Click and drag to place the rectangle, then adjust its edges so it frames exactly what you want visible. The shape can be any size, and you can refine it later. With the rectangle still in place, select both the rectangle and the image. Hold Shift and click each item, or drag a selection box around them. Then go to Object, choose Clip, and click Set Clip. The image is now clipped to your shape, hiding everything outside the rectangle while keeping the original intact. If you ever need to revise the framing, you can release the clip, adjust the rectangle, and set it again. And that's it. Launch Inkscape. Open your document, select the image, enhance its colors via filters, draw a shape, and set a clip for a clean, professional result.